How to play YouTube videos in background. So if you want to play YouTube videos in background, then first of all you have to open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Chrome browser. And then after opening your browser, here you have to search for YouTube. And after opening your YouTube, now you can simply open up any song that you would like. And now you can tap on the three dots which is on the upper right corner, the first upper right corner, not the second one. And after tapping that, you have to tap on desktop site. Now it will take you to your desktop site. And now what you can do is you have to choose a song, and after choosing a song you can simply play that song. And now if you go back, and you will not hear that song right now, but if you want to listen to that song or play YouTube in your background, then what you have to do is you have to scroll downward, and then here you will have this Chrome notification. You can simply play your song, and that's it. That's how you play your YouTube songs or your videos in background. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.